Welcome to our cooking tutorial, where today we'll be making a delicious pickled eggs recipe in a 1-gallon glass jar. First, let's go over the ingredients and some important tips for making this dish. Pickled eggs, 24 large eggs, boiled and peeled 4 cups white vinegar, 2 tablespoons pickling spices, a half tablespoon mustard seeds, 6 whole cloves to bay leaves, a half teaspoon ground allspice, a half cup sugar, 1.5 teaspoons salt, canning or pickling salt, 6 garlic cloves, minced 1 medium Spanish onion, sliced 3 sliced hot peppers. I used pepperoncini from a jar. Step 1. Prepare the glass jar first. Gather all your ingredients and tools. You'll need a large glass jar, which should be completely empty. Make sure it's sterilized by boiling it in a pot with water for at least 10 minutes. Allow it to cool completely before proceeding. Step 2. Boil the eggs. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the eggs and cook for about 12 minutes, or until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. Remove the eggs from the heat and let them cool for a few minutes. Step 3. Mix the seasonings in a small bowl. Combine the pickling spices, mustard seeds, whole cloves, bay leaves, ground allspice and salt. Mix well to ensure even distribution of the flavors. Step 4. Prepare the vinegar solutions in separate bowls. Mix the white vinegar and sugar together. Set aside for now. Step 5. Prepare the pickling containers. Layer the sliced hot peppers, sliced Spanish onion and minced garlic into separate sterilized jars. This will add flavor and color to your pickled eggs. Step 6. Add the eggs carefully. Pour the cold boiled eggs into each jar, making sure not to disturb the egg whites. Cover the jars with their lids and set them aside. Step 7. Prepare the pickling solutions in the large glass jar. Mix the white vinegar and sugar together. Add the spice mixture to the vinegar and stir well to combine. This will create the pickling liquid. Step 8. Seal the jars. Write the date and recipe number on each jar's lid. Then, gently pour the pickling liquid into the jars, filling them about 2-3 inches from the top. Seal the lids and gently shake to ensure everything is mixed properly. Step 9. Allow the jars to pickle. Place the jars on a cool, dry area and let them sit for at least 48 hours. The longer they sit, the better the flavor will develop. Step 10. Enjoy your pickled eggs. Once the pickling process is complete, you can enjoy your homemade pickled eggs. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And that's it. With this simple recipe, you can enjoy a tangy and flavorful treat that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even as a side dish. Happy pickling!